morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what are we gonna do today? Well, it's a small and simple thing. I'm gonna show you. I need new tires on my bike. This is my own BMW R1200 GS from 2010. I still think it's a new bike, but it isn't. It's 15 years old. I would say, come on over and we're gonna start. Now guys, the first thing we're gonna do to get the rear wheel out is take this one off. And that's very easy. Come on over. I'm gonna show you. There are 3 Torx bolts, there, and over there. And yeah, because I renewed them for stainless steel, at least this one and this one, so I don't know exact what you should use. Torx 30. So this one, and this is also Torx 30, and this is also Torx 30. So I got a bakje. Hop, this one, and oops, this one, and this is a long one. Actually guys, this is really easy. Hop. Out of the way, carefully. Now then we go to the other side. Now guys, the first thing we're gonna do is put it in gear. Okay, check. That's the most difficult to do. Then they're not that tight. I think it's 16 Newton meters. So there are 5 bolts. Up. Then bakje. And okay, then this one. Now carefully, as the wheel can come off. So hold it a bit in place. Hop. And then, ladies and gentlemen, now, how easy is this? Yes, and as you can see, my tire has a real flat spot. It almost looks like a car tire. As you can see guys, the thread is still more than enough, but that flat spot, maybe you can see it like this, not sure. Wait a minute. This is from there to there, it's flat. Oh wait, this is the way you can see it. So, and it has what they call cupping. See, this is higher than that. Over here you can see it maybe even better if I do it like this here. Here you can see it's strange. Don't know why that is, but I used the full tire, as you can see, over there, and I went almost all the way. Old mechanic. Now it's easy. See. So I like to get. Shall I take this one off? Yeah, needs to come off, as my tire guy has to get the air in. Now guys, I need to have the front wheel off the ground. Luckily I have a winch, so let's use it. So put this over here, you never know. This one, a bit like this, yes. Gonna mount this one. Yes. Then guys, now close your eyes, your ears, sorry. Let's make some noise. Now guys, to get my front wheel out, I always like to remove the calipers. Maybe it's not, this is the wrong one, it's, yeah, I changed them for stainless steel. BMW uses. Up those rusty bolts, you know, change them all. They rust so easy. Up, loose. And I like these much more. And I also like to get my ABS sensor off. You never know, you're gonna damage it by putting the wheel back. Up, wait a minute, get the right torques. This isn't, maybe this one, no, too loose. Yes, this is one. It's a long one, need it. This one, let's see, yep, this is exactly. Then this one. Okay, then grab your caliper and push it, wiggle it a bit, that way and that way, because there is always a tiny ridge edge. A ridge over here. And now let's see, this one loose, this one loose, this one loose, so I have more wire for my ABS sensor. Over here it's in a clamp thing. Yes, hook it out, hook it out. I'm not sure, it's somewhere. Wait, huh? Maybe there's a clamp somewhere over there too, but it's not really important now. And get carefully your caliper away. So, see, Hop. Take it off. Inspect your brake pads. These are still in good shape. Just get it a bit backwards. That's enough. I like to get my calipers out of the way. Thanks to the tango. So, and then like this. See? Nicely out of the way. Well done. We go to the other side. Now guys, this side is even easier. We don't have the ABS sensor. Now, loosen the two bolts. This one and this one. Get them out. Container. Oops, I think it's called. Guys, and while you're getting your calipers off, scan it. If there is something you don't trust, or maybe loose, or out of the ordinary. And now I can clean my wheel also. Is that lots of hoops and places? Isn't so easy accessible. Okay, now same thing over here. Wiggle it a bit, caliper, to push the pistons back in. Well, hop, pistons back in. Then have a look. Okay, a rubber band over there. Now this is a really old rubber band. It was still from the 80s. Yeah, or so. And get it a bit out of the way. Now, then guys, over here we got a clamp bolt for the axle. We're gonna loosen that first, I think. Let's see. Yep. Up. Okay. Like that. And then, guys, I have a tool for in there. I will link the tools in the description below. So click on it and you're helping my channel out too. Then, but it is 22 and this is 17. Now we can loosen the axle. Up. Normally. Up. Yes. Okay, now it's loose. We're gonna lift the front side up. See, it's already up. Hop, hop, hop. Now, yes. Then we're gonna remove the axle. Support with your knee the front wheel. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what a lot of friends I have. Man, old mechanic. Let's see. Ah. Yes, there he goes. Axle out. Wait a minute. Perhaps like this. Yes. And then roll the wheel out. And on this side, there is a special spacer. See? That's on the left side when you sit on your motorcycle. Okay, now we can carefully roll it out. And then I don't like to leave my bike hanging in that winch, so I have two support stands, this one and this one. Then let's see. Okay, now yes, a bit up like this. Yep. Carefully lower it. Over there. Over there. Okay. Now guys, as you could see, it's easy to take the wheels out. But guys, I have the luxury of a winch. I think you should take out the front wheel first. Ask your buddy, who is 200 pounds, put your bike on the center stand. Ask your buddy to sit on the back of the bike, give him a beer, so he stays there for a while. Then take the front wheel out, put it on those two stands, and ask your buddy carefully to come off the bike. You don't need him anymore, so tell him, go home, I don't need you anymore. And then you can take your rear wheel out. Easy as Del.